Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today I will explain to you about experiment 4, the effects of heat treatment on the microstructure of steel. So, the objective of this experiment is to study on preparing of metallographic sample for microstructure observation. Next, to study the effects of heat treatment on the microstructure of steel. Other than that is to discover the microstructure of ferrite, pearlite, cementite, austenite and martensite under microscopic view. The theory states that the properties of steel can be changed or altered by several techniques such as alloying and heat treatment. Heat treatment process is process of ability to change the properties of applying heat. Such treatment modifies microstructure, producing a variety of mechanical properties that are important in manufacturing, such as improved formability and machinability. This experiment, we have been given 5 different samples of heat-treated steel, such as aluminium, brass, and copper. So, given the steels, we also have to use the hand grinding machine, polishing machine, and optical microscope. So, and also we have to use a glove to protect our hand. So the procedure for this experiment is all the given samples of heat treated steel are provided to be examined. So next, all of the microstructure of each sample are observed and sketched. After that, all of the microstructure are identified and labeled. Of etching process in the preparation of metallographic sample is to highlight features of metals at microscopic levels. By studying this character, quantity and distribution of these different features, we can predict and explain the physical properties and performance failures of a given sample of metal. For us to analyze such features, a metallic sample must be polished to a very fine mirror-like finish. Unfortunately, under a microscope, such a finely polished surface just looks like a plain white film. Chemical solution known as etchants are used to create a contrast between the elements of the metal's microstructure. Etchants selectively corrode some of those elements which show up as darker regions. This is possible because difference in the composition, structure, or phase of a metal alter the relative rates of corrosion when exposed to an etchant. In this experiment, we can conclude that heat treatment process can be used to alter properties of steel. There are 5 types of heat treatment process, which is annealing, normalizing, quenching, tempering, and spheroidizing. The general purpose of heat treatment are to relieve internal stress, improve ductility, increase the strength and hardness, and improve machinability and toughness. Microstructure produced by normalizing process is fine pearlite. For the full annealing process, produce coarse pearlite. Spheroidizing process produce spheroidite. Quenching process produce martensite, and tempering process produce tempered martensite. Thank you.